So our lovely patient who's 76 years old comes in. She's 10 days out from her surgery, which was a remove and replace of her implants, a capsulorrhaphy, and a mastopexy. And she's very kindly agreed to share some of her thoughts about why she went down this pathway, how she feels about her recovery, and how she feels about her results at this point.
Well, I had surgery a year ago, and it was a mistake. They put in huge implants, and I was so disappointed and mad. And so I thought I'll go back to my original office, which is in Bryn Mawr, the Noon Clater office. And I came in and I thought, is this going to work? I wasn't sure. I met Dr. Clater, and he just put all my worries and concerns aside. He was very intent on giving me what I wanted. And at this point, 10 weeks out, I'm doing very well.
Wait a minute, 10 weeks or 10 days? 10 days. At 10 weeks, we hope you're continually awesomely happy, but how are we doing in 10 days?
I'm not coming in here, right? And in 10 days, I'm very pleased. I can sleep without rearranging my breasts, and I come back to the office, and it's like coming back to see family, especially like Charlotte.
Charlotte's awesome.
So are you.
Oh, well, that's very kind of you. Now, is this something that you would recommend to a friend?
This office or this procedure? What
Both.
are you saying? Definitely. I would say it's worth the drive because I drive an hour and 15 minutes to get out here, but I felt as though I was totally heard, and also that the surgery in itself was not that difficult. I wasn't under general anesthesia, but he made it interesting and amusing while he worked on me for 2.5 hours.
Well, thank you so much for sharing. That is wonderful, and I truly appreciate you sharing your story.
And I thank you.
Thank you.
Well, that was easy enough.